Hi guys, welcome to our channel, The Excel Accountant. Hope you all are doing very well. Okay, alright. So today's topic is on the concatenate formula. This formula is commonly used in Excel data work or data related tasks. The objective of this formula is to merge different cells or columns and give the data in a concrete form in a single cell. All right. So there are two ways of using this concatenate formula. Let us discuss both step by step. For the ease of reference, I have created this data which contains separate columns. Column A as in serial number, column B employee name, column C rank, column D designation, column E employee ID. So our today's agenda is to use a concatenate formula and merge the details from column B to column E and get it concatenated in a single cell. So there are two ways as we spoke to do this. The first way is by using the concatenate formula the traditional way. Calling it traditional because here we are actually using the word concatenate while using the formula. Okay, so here it is how these four data cells will be merged into a single cell without any manual efforts by using a concatenate formula. Okay, alright, let's start the concatenate formula, which is equals to concatenate open bracket text1 is our column B2, comma text2 will be column C2, text3 will be column D2, and text4 will be column E2. And I'll just close the bracket and press enter. Here it is, it gives us merging all the data from column B2 till column E2 in a single cell, which is column F2. So this is one way of doing it, and we will also discuss the second way of doing it, which is without using the word concatenate, and here it is how it is done. Now our objective is to merge column B3 till column E3. This is how we can do it. Press equals to and select column B3 sorry. Press symbol end. Again select column C3. Press symbol end. Again come to column D3 and press symbol end. Again coming to column E3, and this time since there is no further data, I am just simply pressing the button enter. Here it is, it gives us the concatenated data from column B3 till column E3. Hope you guys like this video of making it simpler how the concatenate formula works in an Excel. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe this video and our channel for supporting us and allowing us to bring more such videos to your disposal. Thank you.